In this video, I am going to teach you the exact steps of how to eliminate money leaks in your business in 2 hours or less. So let's dive in. My name is Annette Ferguson. I am CEO of Annette Co, a UK-based accounting firm. I am a chartered accountant, certified profit first professional, and financial strategist, and we help business owners take home lots more money from their business for them and their families to enjoy. One part of what we do is finding and eliminating money leaks in a client's business. First off, what is a money leak? A money leak is anything that is happening in your business when it comes to spending money that is not either one, necessary to keep the proverbial lights on in your business, or two, delivering you a positive return in terms of money or in terms of time. So I want to talk you through the exercise that I do every quarter in my business and we do with our clients in order to find those money leaks in the first place. So what I recommend you do is you gather together all your business bank and credit card statements, PayPal statements, wherever money is being spent from your business. And ideally, it works best if you can do this in paper form. I'm going to talk you through how to do it in paper form, but I also realize that some people will not want to be doing all that printing, or maybe don't even have a printer, in which case I recommend that you download the CSV files from your online banking and you can do it that way using those files. But I'm going to talk you through the exercise as if you had printed them all off and as if you had them in front of you. So what I want you to do is gather together that information, pile it up, and then I want you to get a highlighter and a red pen and get yourself comfy as well. Perhaps a cup of tea, maybe even a glass of wine, depending on the time of day. And then the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go through every single expense line by line by line, and with your highlighter, mark those things that are 100% necessary to keep the lights on in your business. You cannot run your business without these things. It is not possible. You're just not able. That could include something like insurance or professional development spend that you need to make to be part of a organization or an institute or a certification. Okay, so 100% necessary to keep the lights on in your business. You're going to highlight that expense. And you may be asking yourself this question time after time after time. If you have something that reoccurs monthly in your business, you're going to be asking yourself this question 12 times, but that's okay. And then I want you to flip your pile over and go back to the beginning. And this time going through with your red pen in your hand and asking yourself, is this spending delivering me a positive return in terms of money or in terms of time? And if the answer is yes, you can circle your red pen around it. Now again, asking yourself this question line by line by line, month by month, item by item, going through every single one, and sometimes asking yourself 12 times or maybe even more if the expense is delivering you a positive return. There is no harm in checking with yourself on that, because sometimes once we get to the third or fourth thing, we think, is this really delivering me a positive return? So asking yourself that question multiple times is a good thing, not a bad thing. So go through line by line, again, page by page, month by month, till you've done 12 months. And then I want you to flip the pile back over again. And now you need to look at those items that you have neither marked with your highlighter nor you have circled with your red pen, because those items are potentially money leaks in your business. Because the question you need to ask yourself is, what is the purpose of that spending? If the purpose is neither you absolutely need it, it's 100% necessary, and nor is it delivering you a return, you potentially have a money leak there. Now, some of those things will be nice to haves. It will just make your life a bit nicer. You want to have those nice to haves, and that's okay. But what we want to establish is that those nice to haves, those things that you have designated are 50% necessary, 40% necessary, they are the things that are taking away profit from you and your family. It is a straight up choice between the two. And we need to be aware of that and aware that that is the decision we are making in our business when we have those nice to haves, because often we're not actually making that decision consciously, that it's a choice between those two things. So with your nice to haves, ask yourself, are they nicer than having this money in my family's pocket or not? There's no judgment there. That's completely your choice, but understand it's your choice. As you go through those ones that you have not marked, some of them you will be able to eliminate entirely. Do it then and there. Get on your computer, cancel the payments, log into whichever systems you need to, get rid of them. All the ones that you can do straight away, get on it, do it straight away. There may be some that will come to the end of a contract agreement time or something like that. Mark it in your diary. Go straight in, mark it in your diary of when you're able to cancel that so that it doesn't auto-renew, when you are able to stop those payments. And others you will have that you cannot get out of the agreement, but you may be able to downgrade until the end of the agreement or for some future time. So again, go in, do it straight away. Don't leave this part of the exercise to a different day. Whilst you're on this exercise, get it done, because that is how you will get rid of those money leaks in your business in 2 hours or less. I hope that this exercise has been useful for you and given you something to go away and implement in your business and help increase your profitability. If you enjoy what I share on this channel, do make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so that you know next time we put a video up, and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, all those good things as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will speak to you all very soon.